When trekkers trek in Uttarakhand, they mostly trek in the Garhwal side. And it's fair because most of the popular treks of Uttarakhand are in the Garhwal region. However, the trek that I'm going to talk about today lies in Kumaon region and is also referred as Rhododendron Trek of India. Ranthambore is one of the most beautiful treks in India, and because not many people know about it, it remains offbeat too. Today, I'm going to talk about everything regarding Ranthambore trek. So in case you're going on this trek, then you can consider this video as a complete trek guide. We get to know the complete itinerary of this trek, what are the major attractions, and what kind of fitness you need to be on this trek. Let's start the video. Ranthambore is a hidden gem of Uttarakhand. This trek is graded as moderate and it takes 7 days to cover the complete trek distance of 37 kilometers. The Ranthambore trek starts from Gogina village of Bageshwar district and leads up to the Ranthambore top. From Ranthambore top, you will be rewarded with breathtaking views of the majestic peaks like Mount Nanda Devi, Sunanda Devi, Nanda Kot, Mount Mriktuni and the Panchachuli range. Ranthambore is a newly discovered trekking destination. So if you are someone who don't like much crowd and want to have the trek all by yourself in peace, then this trek is a perfect pick. This part of Kumaon is known for its long-lasting flower blooms. Even well into summer, you will find red rhododendrons in full bloom, adding vibrant colors to the trail. One of your camps will be at Namek village, where you will get to see the simple and peaceful life of the locals. The villagers are warm and welcoming and love exchanging stories with trekkers from all over the world. Another highlight of this trek is Bajmanian Kharak, also known as Baji Kharak. This is not just a campsite, it's a stunning green meadow near the beautiful Balchan Kund. The sunsets here are unforgettable. So next time when you go to this trek, make sure that you don't miss it. Finally, when you reach the Ranthambore top at 12,900 feet, you will be rewarded with the breathtaking views of the Panchachuli peaks and the sacred Mount Nanda and Sunanda. The journey starts at Kathgodam, where the group meets and drive to Gogina, a remote village deep in the Kumaon region. The drive from Kathgodam to Gogina is around 235 kilometers and will take 10 to 11 hours to reach there. Gogina is where the trek will truly begin. From Gogina, we start walking through beautiful untouched landscape to reach Namek village, one of the most peaceful and secluded place in the area. From Namek, we trek to Baji Kharak and then head to our final campsite near Ranthambore trek called Thalto campsite. The highest point of this trek is Ranthambore top, which is only 2 to 3 kilometers from this campsite. After enjoying the stunning views of Ranthambore top, we will return to Thalto campsite. On the way back, instead of taking the same trail to Baji Kharak, we follow a different and scenic route through Parvathor, where we camp for the night. From there, we trek back to Namek village and then down to Gogina village, completing a beautiful circular route through the Himalayas. The best time to do this trek is spring, summer and autumn. With Trek the Himalayas, you can do this trek in April, May, September, October and November. No matter when you go, each season will give you a different and special mountain experience. The starting point of this trek is Gogina village, and from there, the nearest railway station is Kathgodam railway station. If you have booked transportation with us, then you don't have to worry about anything. We'll take care of you from the Kathgodam itself. If you want to reach on your own, then you can book a cab or a taxi. You can also take a bus, but you have to change 2 buses from there. First from Kathgodam to Bageshwar and then from Bageshwar to Gogina. However, in such treks where the traveling distance is long, like in this one, 10 to 11 hours, I would personally recommend you to take the transportation. Ranthambore trek is graded as moderate trek, which means you need to be fit and in good shape to be able to do this trek. The minimum age requirement to do this trek is 12 years, which means anyone above 12 years of age can do this trek. All you need to do is to take care of health and do some preparation. You need to make sure that you're able to cover at least 5 kilometers in 33 minutes and 10 kilometers in 75 minutes. If this is something you're lagging in, then you should start preparing at least 3 months before the trek. If your style of exercising is cycling, then you need to make sure that you're able to cover 15 kilometers in 45 minutes, that too without stress. Along with that, make sure that you're able to do 3 rounds of 100 stair climbing along with a backpack and 3 rounds of 50 mountain climber exercise. So that's all about Ranthambore trek. I hope this video have answered all your questions regarding this trek. In case you still have doubts, you can visit our website and check the FAQ section. You can also comment down below or write to me at creator@trekthehimalayas. This is Neha Preti signing off until we meet again.